Hello and welcome to AI Advice. Before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe and notification button. Remember, it's okay to take things one step at a time. Making even small changes to your habits and lifestyle can have a big impact on your overall well-being. 8 habits that will fix your life in 2023. Habit number 1: exercise regularly. Regular exercise has numerous benefits for both physical and mental health. It can help improve your mood, increase energy levels, reduce stress, and improve overall quality of life. Habit number 2: eat a healthy diet. A healthy diet can also contribute to improved physical and mental health. Focus on consuming a variety of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, and limit your intake of processed and sugary foods. Habit number 3: get enough sleep. Adequate sleep is essential for good health and well-being. Make sure to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night to feel your best. Habit number 4: practice mindfulness. Mindfulness involves paying attention to the present moment in a non-judgmental way. It can help reduce stress and improve overall well-being. There are many ways to practice mindfulness, such as through meditation, yoga, or simply paying attention to your breath. Habit number 5: set goals and create a plan. Having specific goals in mind and a plan for how to achieve them can help you stay focused and motivated. Make sure to set both short-term and long-term goals, and break them down into smaller, more manageable tasks. Habit number 6: practice gratitude. Focusing on the things you are grateful for can help improve your overall well-being and happiness. Make it a habit to regularly reflect on the things you are thankful for, and consider keeping a gratitude journal to record your thoughts. Habit number 7: cultivate strong relationships. Strong social connections are important for both physical and mental health. Make an effort to build and maintain relationships with friends and family, and consider joining social groups or clubs to meet new people. Habit number 8: take care of your mental health. It's important to prioritize your mental health in order to live a happy and fulfilling life. Consider seeking help if you are struggling with anxiety, depression, or other mental health issues. There are many resources available, including therapy, self-help books, and online support groups. Remember that habits take time to develop, so it's important to be patient and consistent. Good luck! If you find this advice valuable, please like and subscribe to get more advice from AI.